questions, comments?
We can have one.
Riley gets to use his microphone. Let's go.
All right, so we have a question from Founders Equipment and Chemical Sales. As an independent rep for multiple companies, should I have channels for each or one channel for all of them?
So if I was you and you were a rep, I would do one channel for your repping company and then playlists for the companies that are your principals and that you're repping for. So depending on what type of equipment, industry, or specialization, I would have playlists for that. And the reason why is that let's just say that in 5 years, one of those companies that's one of your current big swingers of people that you push for, let's say something happens, they don't want to have a rep agreement with you anymore or stuff like that. You don't have to like kill an entire channel that you've built up. If it's under your own company, you can have playlists set up and you can wipe out those playlists, hide the videos, have them unlisted, etc. But I'm always more focused on building the company brand and then just have your brand be focused around those specific industries or types of equipment that you focus on selling. And then you could be known as that's the company that does X, Y, and Z and just dominate that one niche space.
And they have a follow-up question. Should I make videos for them or share their content?
So it's a good question. If you have the capacity to make videos for them based on content that they already have, chop up those videos to make them your own, do that. But to get started, just grab their videos. Here's what I usually see with corporate videos from companies like who you might work for is they're typically slow and boring. Now, if you found a unicorn and you rep for a company that does good marketing, good video content, that is high paced, high energy, it is instructive, it is educational, it is entertaining, it's not super slow and boring, then just use their stuff and throw it onto your channel. But you're going to want to tweak it a little bit because if they've already got it on their YouTube channel and you're posting the same video, it's going to be like you're not going to get many views for it because YouTube's going to be like, these people had it first and that's their brand. Take their video content, download the videos, chop it up into your own type of video, put your branding on it, your logo behind it, your pace, your speed, your vibe that you're trying to go after, and then post that, use their company name or product name in the title to draw that attention, and maybe you can outrank them, but that's how I would do it.